Hey everybody, welcome back with the Canning Nana. I just want to show you what our community does here. We're down here at our harbor and they're having a boat parade. So it's like all electric boats, there's some regular boats, a lot of kayaks. It's really cool. Just wanted to share. So we'll stand here for a couple minutes and just let you guys watch and see what our community does. It's really cool. We have a really strong community, really neighborly. It's pretty cool. See, they're waving to you guys. That's cool. It's so beautiful today too, which is really pretty. Oh, that one's called the Houdini. That's cool. Love it here. Here's one. Here's a bigger one coming. It's really cool. Just something different to share. I'm going to be sharing some garden videos with you guys either later or tomorrow. We just got out for a nice walk, and we happened upon this, and it's a scheduled thing that everybody got together with their little boats, and they're just going around the harbor and supporting one another. That's what it's all about. So, just want to show you guys. See, they're waving. There comes some more. There was a really cool one. We have this really cool tiki hut, and there was a floating tiki hut on the water. It was like a floating bar, actually. It had all bar stools around it. I'm hoping that would come back, but I'm really not going to stand out here for too much longer. There's quite a few. There was a lot more a little bit ago, but we walked all the way around here. It's like a mile walk that we do. And there was a lot more. I think this might actually be the end of it, so I might have just done it in time. Yep, I think this is the end. I don't think there's any more coming. I think that's it. But isn't that cool? A little boat parade. There's probably like 50, 60 boats. Oh, here's a big one. Maybe there was just a big gap. You see any more coming?
I can't see anything. There's boats in the way.
Yeah. So we're at a dock. Yeah, they were coming one right after another though a little bit ago. So I think they're winding down. But just wanted to share. You guys have a great Saturday. They're all waving to you guys. Have a great Saturday, guys. I'll see you later.